If you just broke up with your SP and you want to manifest them back, do this right now. Remember that you cannot manifest your SP from a place of desperation and neediness. So we are going to do EFT tapping to regulate your emotions and get you into a more empowered knowing state. If you cannot do this right now, save this video for later. But if you can tap right now, let's get started. All right, you can tap using 2 fingers, okay? I'm using one because my microphone is right here. Start on the eyebrow point. I want to manifest my SP so badly. I wish we could be together again. Just like the old times. I keep replaying past memories. And my heart is aching for those memories. I just want to be together again with my SP. I acknowledge and accept all of these feelings. It's okay that I'm feeling this way. It's completely normal to miss my SP right now. But I know I cannot manifest my SP as long as I'm in this energy. Because this is needy and desperate energy. Why would my SP want to be with me if I'm obsessing over them? So today I choose to shift the focus on me. I'm putting my happiness first because I am extremely important. How I feel is important. I value myself so much. And I know that everyone is me pushed out. So I choose to feel better about myself. I'm redirecting all of my energy towards me. I'm putting myself on a pedestal. I'm remembering my own power. And from this expansive space, I know I can manifest my SP. I don't need to worry about the outcome. Because whatever happens, I am enough. Whether or not my SP comes back, I am loved. I'm choosing to validate myself right now. The key to my happiness is within me, not my SP. I trust in the universe's plan for me. I am manifesting love for my highest good. I choose to believe as I embody love, the people I love will become magnetized towards me. All right, take a deep breath in and out. Drink lots of water. Do that tapping as many times as you want until you feel like you're not triggered anymore and that you feel very safe in your body and you really trust that no matter the outcome, you are okay. You are loved. And remember that we live in a mirror universe. If you don't love and value and respect yourself, you cannot expect other people to love, respect, and value you. Thank you so much for tapping along with me. Follow for more, and I'll see you next time.